We're going to do some more math today with comparing fractions. So I'd like you to pull this page out of your packet. So you're going to be coloring in, so you can use a pencil or you can make it as pretty as you want to. Colored pencils or crayons. Marker, probably not the best idea because it might go through, but if you put something underneath, it might be fine. So you're going to color in how much of the bar graph up here this fraction is showing you. So it says 2/3. So this is the one that's cut into thirds. So you'll color 2 of those. And then 5/6. So you color in 5 of the 1/6. Fractions are funny because most numbers, as they get bigger, it means more. In fractions, if the number on the bottom is bigger, it means the piece is actually smaller. I like to think about if you had friends over for a pizza party. If you order pizza all by yourself, you get to eat the whole pizza. That's a lot of pizza, you'll be sick. If you had 2 friends, you split the pizza, you're eating half of it. So you're eating a little less. It's still a lot of pizza. If you had 3 friends, now you're only getting 1/3 of the pizza. So as that bottom number goes up, your slice is actually going to get smaller. So 1/6 is smaller than 1/3. But here you have 2/3 and 5/6. So once you color them in, shade them in, then you're going to go ahead and put your greater than, less than, or equal sign. So go ahead and work on that. Pause this video for a minute while you color that in and then do your symbols. And when you're ready, you can push play. And I cheated a little bit. I have the answer key, so I'm not going to color mine in because I'm going to need it later on to show you when I go through the schedule of the week. I would love to color it in. Maybe I'll do it later on. But for right now, hopefully you have your whole worksheet completed before you get to this part, because this is a spoiler alert. I'm going to give you the answers now. Okay, so you should color it in so it looks like this. So this first one, you had 2/3, you colored in 2 of them. And then I told you 1/6 is smaller, but you have 5 of them. So 5/6 is bigger than 2/3. Down here, you have 1/2. You have 3/10. Obviously, 3/10 is smaller than 1/2. Here, you had 3/4 and 6/8. Now remember, if you know your multiplication facts, you would know 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. And because you can multiply both these numbers by the same number on the top and the bottom, these two are the same. And when you colored your picture in, obviously you could see that. Down here, you had 1/2 and 5/6. This one is not shaded in. They did not shade it in. It should be shaded all the way. Everything except for 1. I hope you did yours right, because they made a mistake. And so 5/6 is bigger than 1/2. And then down here, you had 7/10, 7/12. So the number on the top is the same, but because the number on the bottom, 12 is bigger than 10, so it's actually going to be smaller because you're getting less. This is a candy bar. You have less of the candy bar than your friend who ate 7/10. And then down here, again, you had 4/5 and 8/10. And I know if I do 4 times 2, I get 8. If I do 5 times 2, I get 10. And because I can multiply the top and the bottom by one number, the number 2, and get the answer over here, these two are going to be equal. So that's a really easy one. You are going to do these 2 worksheets on Wednesday. You will need these 2. So go ahead and you can pull these out before Wednesday. Look them over. It won't take you long. You might want to do it right now. while you have time, while you have your colored pencils and everything ready. And then on Wednesday, we will go over the answers for these 2 pages. Hopefully you have them done before then. Okay, have a great week. Thanks.